babes, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making a clear butterfly lip gloss, so let's get started. So I am going to go ahead to sanitize my hands. I did already put the Versagel inside of the bowl. I already grabbed my lip gloss tubes, and I did go ahead to set the mood with the strawberry pound cake candle that I got from White Barn. And now I'm going to put on some gloves so we can get started. So this is the coconut oil that I do use. I do make sure that it is fractionated, because if you get the kind that's at the grocery store and it's a solid, then if you leave the lip gloss out in the car, it will turn into a solid. So if I was you, I would get the fractionated coconut oil so it'll always stay a liquid. And now we're just going to mix the Versagel and the coconut oil together. So when you're mixing the coconut oil and the Versagel together, please make sure that you are mixing it thoroughly, and please make sure that there is no clumps when you are mixing them together. You should be cooking the Versagel inside of the coconut oil, so when you do put the mixture inside of the lip gloss tube, you won't see the separation. You won't see the coconut oil at the bottom and then the Versagel on top. So please make sure that you are mixing it thoroughly. And now we're going to go in with the butterflies. So the butterflies that I'm using is the blue butterflies and the pink butterflies. And you can get the case from Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead to scoop the blue butterflies in now. And then I'm going to scoop the pink butterflies. And then we're going to mix it up. So this is what it looks like when it's mixed together, the pink and the blue butterflies. And now we're going to go in with our flavoring oils. So I'm going to use blue raspberry for the blue butterflies, so it can taste like blue raspberry. But I use blue raspberry a lot, so bear with me while I try to get the top off. And we're back. So I got the top off, and I'm putting the blue raspberry in right now. I am going to use 3 drops. I did use blue raspberry because of the blue butterflies, but now I'm going to go in with pink sunburst for the pink butterflies. So it's going to be a mix of blue raspberry and pink sunburst. Pink sunburst tastes like the pink starburst, and the blue raspberry obviously tastes like the blue raspberry, either the Jolly Ranchers or the Airheads. Mix those both together, it tastes so good. Like, it's like a unique, I don't know, it just tastes so good. But I mixed both of those together, and that's what it looks like. And then you just gotta mix it up, you gotta cook it together, so you're gonna have the mixture of the blue raspberry and the pink sunburst. Next, I grab my syringe, which is 60 milliliters, and I grab my pipette, which is 3 milliliters. And basically what I'm going to do now is take the top off of the syringe, and then I'm going to cut the bottom of the pipette and cut the top of the pipette. The top of the pipette is going to get attached to the bottom of the syringe, and I just cut the bottom of the pipette so you can suck up the lip gloss faster and more efficient. But this time, instead of me sucking it up, since it does have the pieces, the butterfly pieces in there, I just scooped it inside of the syringe, so it could be better. So when you try to scoop up the butterflies, it wouldn't get stuck at the bottom. But since I put it inside of the syringe, it'll just go right inside of the lip gloss tubes. So this is basically what it looks like after it's filled. So right now you do see like the bubbles and you see like the butterflies, but after you let it sit with TKB trading, after you do let it sit for like a day or two, then that's when you'll see like where all the bubbles just dissolve and it's just like a clear lip gloss, and you'll probably just have like one bubble like at the top of the lip gloss or at the bottom of the lip gloss. But that's what it looks like when it first came out. And now we're just gonna fill them up, and we're gonna put the tops on there and the lids on there. And I'm sorry if you hear a plane, but I live right next to the airport, so. Alright, Brazen Babes, so we are coming to an end. This is the final product. This is the blue and the pink butterfly lip gloss. I hope that you guys all enjoy. If you do decide to purchase, if you do decide to make it yourself, best of luck. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you love the videos. I will catch you guys later. Bye.